Susan Sarandon. Andy Kessler, executive producer, Mad TV.
Oh, it's very nice to meet you.
I see you got your muffin bucket.
Yep, got my muffin bucket.
And why aren't you sitting in your chair?
Is that your idea?
It depends.
It's pretty creepy.
Yeah, just a little goof on Dead Man Walking.
I got that.
Tim Robbins told me you'd laugh at that. Man's got no instincts. Can I get you anything?
Actually, water would be nice.
Done and done.
Thanks.
And by the way, did you see Variety today?
Nope.
Front page, Susan Sarandon goes mad. Isn't that great news?
Unbelievable. I didn't sign a 5-year deal for being a regular. I'm mad. This is crazy.
I'm so excited, I'm out of control.
But it's not true. I'm not a regular. I'm just a guest. One night, tonight, that's it. Right?
You're absolutely right. Needless to say, somebody's going to get a stern talking to.
All right, so you're going to take care of it.
Yeah, I'm all over it. Access Hollywood is here to cover the story, so if you could just play along.
No.
Miss Sarandon, we're ready for you.
Oh, thanks. I gotta go. So you're gonna clear this up, right?
Absolutely.
And maybe some water? I'd love some water.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Susan Sarandon. Mad TV's newest cast member.
Thank you. I'm really thrilled to be here and be a guest tonight. Thanks. I just want to correct a little misconception. I'm really not a member of the permanent cast. I mean, I'm not here. I'm just here for.
Did the movie Stepmom and Thelma and Louise. Dead Man Walking was the bomb, but now you're Mad TVs. So welcome Susan Sarandon. Congratulations on landing a place within our little family. I couldn't be more prouder, so I'm just singing loud. Welcome to the next 5 years of your life. Welcome to the next 5 years. Welcome to the next 5 years. Welcome to the next 5 years of your life.
I really am.
You know what? Can I say something first? Do you mind if I say something first? I love you so much. You are one of the most magnificent actresses I have ever seen. To watch an actress so commit to 5 years of doing our show. Come on, y'all. Welcome to the next 5 years.